Growing number of offshore home buyers setting their sights on the Victoria real estate market. Some local realtors are taking advantage of the trend, urging people to sell to buyers from mainland China. But some argue that's forcing house prices up and leaving locals behind. April Lawrence has the story.
It's a fixer-upper with an incredible view. And this property on Cadborough Bay Road just sold for $400,000 over asking price. The buyers are from mainland China, a growing segment of the Victoria real estate market.
At least half of the interest that we're getting is from Chinese buyers.
Tony Joe is one of several realtors sending out flyers, offering to connect sellers with Chinese buyers willing to pay top dollar.
They are seeing Victoria as a viable alternative because, first of all, economically, our properties are still quite a bit less expensive than Vancouver.
But for as many new clients as Joe's foreign buyer campaign is bringing in, it also has plenty of critics.
Even today, it had emails from people saying that we are selling out Victoria and we're making it very difficult for people to buy, their kids or their family.
But Joe insists it's not just Chinese buyers pushing up the market.
I have not had a single local Victorian here say that they would agree to take less money for somebody who is not from China.
Realtors who cater to foreign buyers insist what's happening in Victoria is very different from what has happened in Vancouver.
I don't see anybody flipping properties trying to drive the market price upwards. So the majority of people is just like you and I who want to love this place, live in here, bring up their children, and be part of the community.
The Victoria Real Estate Board's numbers for the first quarter of this year show less than 1% of buyers are from Asia. However, that number might not be that accurate. Buyers are only asked to self-declare where they're from, meaning if they own property in Vancouver or here in Victoria, they could be counted as locals. Starting in June, new regulations will require all real estate buyers to mark their country of citizenship so the government can better track where they're coming from. While there's little doubt there is growing Chinese interest in our market, these realtors insist it's families, not investors, setting their sights here.
Be sure to join us next week as April Lawrence continues an in-depth look into surreal estate, Victoria's housing market madness. That's Monday, right here on CHEK News at 5.